this is part 2 of the Cape. I'm not going to talk for too long, just give a bit of general information. So yeah, this is the final part. I've just crammed it all into one video, and yeah, it's a long one, but the first maybe 10 minutes is a bit slower. Still some pretty cool shit. I recommend to watch it all. I got a sight casted Barra, which is probably one of the most, it was a decent one, which was probably one of the most favorite memorable parts of the trip. That was really cool. And yeah, it starts to fire up a lot, start getting some really good fish towards the end of this video. So stick around, watch the whole thing, otherwise you'll miss a lot of it because there's heaps of jacks at the start as well. Also, most of it's land based. Next time when we go up, it'll probably be a little bit more boat stuff because we'll be more keen on fishing, but most of it's just land based.
Oh my god! Oh no, it's gone. Wow. Got a nice jack. Got a nice jack. Yeah.
Is it? How big is it?
Yep. Yep. Oh! But the one behind him was bigger. $60. I should have waited for that one behind him. But he was onto that straight away. Mud crab. No. Oh, gone. Oh wait, no, it's not. Yep, right behind him. Oh yeah, I might for my family. Sight casted barramundi does not get any better. What does, if they're another 50 centimeters bigger, I suppose it is. Maybe 65, 63. Good fish? Oh! Big one? What is it? Jake's on. Jack? Chod. Dirty old chod. Yeah, hang on. Yeah. Biggest shot of the trip. What? Yeah.
Big black spot.
Yep.
Thanks.
He had me in his sticks.
Really?
Yep. Holy. Hold that. Big cod. Okay. Really solid little fish. Twitch it. Oh. Oh. Jack. Good Jack. Oh. Holy. Big Jack. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh. Big Jack again. Oh. Holy. Here I am again with another jack. Flicking these snags this time. Big jack. Oh wow. Holy. Check that out for a jack. Not as much anymore, but the jacks are chewing. It's a good jack. Hey, a bit there. Oh, there. Oh, dang. Oh. Oh, big one. I think. Yeah, big one, man. Oh, thanks, guys. Yeah.
Oh,
Good hit.
oh, he's on it. He's swimming with me.
Yeah, I seen that. Look at them all. Holy shit. Yeah. On the tea bag. Yep. On the tea bag. Could be a jack. No. Oh. Look at them all sitting in the snag. Ready? You wait a couple of minutes. Oh, couldn't get that yet. Sorry. Thanks.
Oh,
Oh, shit. On the. Oh, did you see him clunk that? Oh. Holy, have a go there, Eddie.
yeah,
I'll pull this one in.
yeah, no, cast it out, yeah.
That's all you got to do. Cast it out and let it sink. That's all you got to do is just let it sink. Oh my god! Oh, Jack! Holy! Oh, look at him!
How big that is?
Double ups on jacks. That one's about 43 maybe. 44. And this one just pulled that big bugger in. I reckon he's 46. No, 47 I'll go. And the Z-Man. No, not quite 47, 46. Real salty bar. Like yellow. Oh. First decent bar of the creek. Flicking a nice snag on the other side. On the big twitch it. Still flicking this snag, and I pulled up this big fella. He'd be every bit of 47 I reckon. Oh, we'll check him. Oh, stop it. Release of the big jack. Oh. Lucky boy. Oh, he's not even that big. $60 something. Oh no. Another barra. Fine.
I'll say I like fine.
Yeah.
So it goes up. Do something.
You want to be in a video?
No.
No. Do you know?
Yeah.
Yeah? Just finished filming these barra, got a good feed. That one ended up going 65 and that one went 64 or the other way around. Yeah, got some good feed from that and let go plenty that size, but that's an update. Yeah, been going well the trip, getting a few fish. Jack got a big one yesterday or the day before, 75, decent size. And as always, I'm dropping all the big fish, but hopefully I'll get a good one tomorrow, come down tomorrow morning and try and get nice ones on the run-in tide. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Yeah, leave you to it. All right, come over here, step over my line. See, it's just there. What I was doing is just, yeah, he's about 70. Drive his head on the, just in the mud up here. Just leave it there. Fuck, he scoffed that prawn. Whew. Hold him up. Holy shit. Yeah. Other way. Finally got one to stay hooked. What's your call? Final call? I reckon
74.
73. Tilted up a bit into the sun. It's the prawn all the way in there. Yeah, I'll get it out. That's like the size of your mum's one.
Mum's is bigger.
I go under this.
Oh yeah.
That is a huge chord. They'll eat this fella, eh? They're actually
No.
good eating. Why not?
Because I don't like cod.
Just don't tell them it's cod and tell them it's barra.
No, them know it's cod.
There you go. Big chod. Twitch it. 5.5 inch. Get it out and let him go. Look how excited he's getting. Ow. So I hate when they get pinned like this.
Mm. There you.
I will. Now here, video footage isn't the best because it's pretty full on. So I've hooked it and it swam up and Seth's gone to bring my line in and that was just a live mullet sitting on the bottom and he's hooked up to a jack on that which ended up being 42 centimeters, which is pretty decent, so he just pulled that in and yeah, I've just kept pulling in the barra. It was finally the fish that I wanted. How big is he, you reckon?
90. I'll pull your other line in. Big jack. Is he stuck in the mangroves? He's a meter.
He could be a. He's easy a meter.
Where's he hooked?
I don't
don't know, I think he's looking good. Oh no, it's on the stinger. Why the pit? Oh. Oh. I don't reckon he's a meter.
Nah, he's close though. But we'll measure.
95. He is. Oh no.
95. 96. Twitch it. Just hooked on that stinger. All right, we'll let him go.
Holy shit.
That's what we come for. I don't know if he's gonna swim that way. Ow. He's around there. Yeah, you're right. Add to the tally for today, once again pinned on the stinger. About high 60s, somewhere in there. Twitch it again, doing a damage. Oh yeah, baby. I don't even. Holy, he got fucked. Oh.
I reckon he's like 570.
Yeah. Oh, he didn't look huge. He just a big, powerful fish. This one.
No, he's 570. Yeah.
Oh no.
Low
In a tree.
in the ear.
Not even that big. He just fought.
Oh, he's in good.
Treble. A nice bass. Twitch it again. That's what you get for being cocky. Holy. He's a good fish. He'd be nearly 80, eh? This fish, we heard him hit underwater. Just a big boof. That's him up there. Oh no. Just play him out, he'll come around.
Yep.
Just drive his head up onto the bank. Not massive. Maybe 70s, high 70s. Good fish. Hooked in the jaw. That way.
Oh, fuck. Yeah.
Get out of the tree a bit. Tail around. Nice. Did you hear him hit under?
No, he is.
Yeah.
He's like 80.
80? Oh. Not even fighting. Hang on, I'll bring close. Oh, Jesus!
That's why he wasn't fighting.
Wow! And his tail. That's recent too.
Probably just then.
Nah, not just then.
Solid fish.
Yeah. Twitch it again. Alright, get a photo. I'm gonna grab it out of my pocket.
Oh no.
No, it's big, I think.
No, he's alright. 70s.
What is he?
70s. I think so. From what I've seen of him. Going straight in that snag. Blunk.
No, it's bigger than 70, I think. No!
Yeah, so we are going there again soon, and this was winter, as you would have known. So Barra aren't the best in winter, but theoretically when we go up it will be a lot better. So hopefully it'll be a bloody good trip when we go up again. Either way, it'll be good. Yeah, stick around, and a lot of videos coming in the meantime. Hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.